Woody stops the train. This is Amery Farm. This is Mr. Booth, the farmer. She has two children called Bobby and Sam, and a dog called Rusty. This is Ted. He drives the tractors and helps Mr. Booth on the farm. He waves and shouts to Mr. Booth. "What's the matter, Ted?" asked Mr. Booth. "The train is in trouble. I think it's stuck. I can hear it whistling and whistling," says Ted. "We will go and look." "Bobby and Sam can come too," says Mr. Booth. "And Rusty," says Sam. They walk across the fields. Soon they come to the train track. They can just see the old steam train. It has stopped, but it's still puffing and whistling. "We must move them. You can help me," says Mr. Booth. "Come on, Rusty," says Sam. They walk up to the ship. "How can we get them home?" "We can't get them up to the bank," says Ted. "We will put them on the train," says Mr. Booth. "Look at those sheep. They are on the track," says Bobby. "That's why the train has stopped. Silly sheep," says Sam. "Is that naughty Woody? She escaped from a field again," says Bobby. "She wanted to see the steam train," says Sam. "Come on, Woody." They drive the ship down the track to the train. Woody runs away, but Rusty chases back. This is Woody. "We will lift them up. Please help me, Ted," Mr. Booth says. Ted and Mr. Booth lift the ship up into the carriage. All aboard. Bobby, Sam, Mr. Booth, Ted, and Rusty climb up into the carriage. Bobby and Mr. Booth wave to the driver. The train puffs along. It stopped at the station. Mr. Booth opened the door. Bobby and Sam jumped down onto the platform. "How many passengers?" says the guard. "6 sheep, 1 dog, and 4 people," says Mr. Booth. "That's all." "Let's all go home now," says Mr. Booth. They take the ship back to the farm. "I think Woody just wanted a ride on the train," says Sam.